This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notification on. And if you hit that like button or comment, double check it's working properly. Listen, guys. These bad actors who manipulate the United States stock market don't care if it's a good company or a bad company. That means absolutely nothing to them, okay? It means absolutely nothing to them. What they do care about is this. Is it a company where there's a majority of retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules invested in that company? Because if that's true, then they know they could double and triple down on the fraud and corruption with hardly any blowback from the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI. Okay? If it's a company that the big dogs, the 1%ers are long in, they will not attack it the way they will attack a company that's majority owned by retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Look what's happening out there. You have all these firms, IMC, Jane Street, Citadel. They are giving $3 million pay packages to software engineers, okay? To software engineers who are into quant and high-frequency trading and all kind of other technical aspects that has nothing to do with how a company is being run. Okay? They're not paying the analysts this type of money. They're not paying people that research the companies this type of money. They're paying the people who are going to control the algorithms that allow them to naked short and spoof and wash and continue robbing and stealing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Let me tell y'all guys something. If they were so concerned about looking for great companies and investing in great companies and not investing in bad companies, they would be hiring traders. They would be hiring people that analyze these companies. But that's not where they're putting their focus. That's not where they're investing their money. They're investing their money into people who can help them naked short better. Okay? That's what they're doing. They're going to say, well, oh, it's for high-frequency traders to make the market more efficient. It is not to make the market more efficient. They don't care about efficiency. They care about making money. And if they can find ways to trade ahead of us or even create counterfeit shares and try to beat the cat system, because that's what they're trying to do right now. They're trying to be able to naked short without being found out, okay? They're trying to naked short on the down low. And the way they do that is by bringing in these software engineers who can make the system work better for them, to make it easier for them to steal. They would not be paying interns, guys, $425,000 if the interns weren't making them millions or billions of money. And how are they doing that? Not by researching good companies, not by researching bad companies. It's by figuring out ways to cheat the system using the algorithms, okay? And whoever, or whatever engineer rather, is better at cheating the algorithms, that is who's worth the most money to them. Not the person who can analyze companies, not the person who knows the rules and regulations of the market. They don't care about that. They don't care about that. What they care about is creating software, creating platforms where they can naked short with impunity without the SEC or the DOJ. Well, not even the SEC or the DOJ, because they know what they're doing and they don't do anything about it. So that we don't see it as fast. So we don't complain about it as fast. Okay? They are becoming more efficient criminals, more efficient thieves, and they are paying the software interns to help them do it. They do not care whether a company's good, whether a company's bad. In my opinion, what they care about is this a company that is not majority owned by 1%ers? If it's a company not majority owned by 1%ers and a majority of owners are retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, these bad actors are going to attack it, and they're paying for the people who are the best at it. Okay? That's what they're doing. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think they're paying these interns $425,000 because they want to make their life better, or they want them to be able to help them cheat better? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.